Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Ram 5500. Really nice truck, low mileage, 77,000 miles. It's a crane service truck. It has a Summit 6620. It's a 6,000 pound capacity, 20-foot total reach, hydraulic crane. It has an Ingersoll ran 40 CFM hydraulic air compressor. It's got tool drawers loaded in the boxes. It's a really nice truck. It is four-wheel drive, Cummins turbo diesel, automatic transmission. The truck has the look with that front bumper. Underneath, really nice truck. Inside and out, there's no major rust anywhere on this thing. We've got good tires all the way around, deep tread remaining. You can see the frame is a nice black color. In fact, there is still a factory sticker on the frame, as you can see, but some light surface rust, but that's the extent of that. No major rust anywhere on this thing. Utility box is in great shape as well. It does have some power options, power door locks, mirrors, and windows. Driver's seat's in good condition, just a little delamination on the seat bottom. Vinyl floor's in nice shape. The armrest here, or the center console that normally gets wear, there's no major wear present. Only 77,680 miles on this thing. And we'll go ahead and start it up. Air conditioning blows nice and cold. We've got low hours too. We did perform a service, so the oil's been changed and it's ready to go. But 1709 on our idle hours, 451 on our drive hours. We've gone through it mechanically, serviced it up. It's ready to rock and roll. AM, FM radio, heat, air conditioning, a dash, four-wheel drive, switch. Got our factory PTO button, which operates our hydraulic PTO. Headliner's in good condition, but a nice interior for a work truck. It's got some options too. It's nice. Got a Granite drawer pack in the D1 cabinet. In great shape. All these doors open, close, lock and latch as they should. No major rust anywhere on this thing. Looking through the driver's wheel well, it's got good tires. The frame and underside's in nice condition with no major rust. Looks like the cross members are all really solid for the bed. Got storage underneath the rear workstation. Does have a vise off the back. Hitch receiver with a 7-way blade wiring. Jump up in the back of the truck. This is original. It's a rubberized textured coating. Original between the boxes here. Crane shows really nice. We've got some work lights throughout. You can see our hydraulic air compressor. That's showing only 58 hours on the analog gauge on it. Got tie downs between the boxes. This thing is set up and ready to roll. Look underneath here. You can see, like I said, light surface rust, but it's a nice truck inside and out. It does have hydraulic outriggers. It is a manual extension on the curb side, but up and down is hydraulic. It does have a factory Summit wireless remote. You can see this is how you operate your up and down on your outriggers, as well as some lights. And it does have a air compressor reel in this back cabinet. Again, good tires, deep tread remaining. You can see through there. Very minimal rust on this thing. It's a really nice truck. Hard to find them with these miles too. 77,000. Got a raised box here for your tank storage and what else you need. But yeah, I don't get too many trucks in, especially being four-wheel drive. This truck's got the look with that big bumper on the front. It's a good-looking truck. Show you underneath. Again, you can see through original frame sticker. Nice truck underneath. No major damages on the exterior. Just some light dings and dents here and there from being used. Ranch hand front bumper. Good looking truck. It's got it all. It's ready to rock and roll. Low mileage, low hours. Summit 6620. 40 CFM hydraulic air compressor. Summit bed. Really nice truck. She runs, drives, and operates really nice. We've gone through it, serviced it up, checked out all the lights, brakes, tires, and then some. It's ready to go. Find and drive her home. You can check it out on our website. It's lewistrucks.com, LAWIS truckswithans.com. We're Lewis Motor Company located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. If you have any questions on this truck or any other trucks I have listed for sale, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you guys for watching.